how to add a Gmail account on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail account to your iPhone so that your iPhone is synced up with mail, your calendar, all that kind of stuff. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So you can do this by getting the Gmail app on your iPhone, but if you want to have your iPhone actually sync up with the calendar, all those things, then it's really easy to do it by first opening up the settings on your iPhone. Once in the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom, select apps, and then just go up to the top and search Mail. Select the Mail app. Once Mail opens, select Mail Accounts at the top, and then all you need to do is select Add Account. In here, choose Google. If you don't have the option for Google, just type your Gmail account, and then that will open up Google. So I'm going to choose Google. Enter your Gmail account right there. Once you do that, select Next. You'll then need to authenticate through a password, passkey, something like that. So go ahead and do that. Then you'll be logged into your account where you just need to scroll down and select Continue. From there, we just need to approve iOS, which is the operating system on our iPhone, having access to different aspects of our account. So you can select all, and that'll give it access to your contacts, your calendar, and your email. And that's what I'm going to do. And then just scroll down to the bottom and select Continue. Once you do that, you'll be brought here where you can then toggle on what you want your iPhone to have access in your Gmail account. Make sure that you have everything toggled on the way you want it, and then select Save. And now you have added Gmail to your iPhone. If you ever want to check your Gmail, just go swipe from right to left on the home screen and search Mail, open the Mail app, and then you'll see it load in there. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.